Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2012 Suzuki Vitara, stock number 7124. Showing from the Act 2008 to the 12 2018. There's a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. This is a J24B 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre. Left hand taillight has light sun cracks. Rear tailgate door. Right rear taillight. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right rear right front door no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front 16-inch steel wheel with tyre. Right front door guard. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke metal steering wheel. Instrument cluster.